Hello, kids. This is teacher Yumi, and now let us practice reading. So, are you ready? Let us start. Coat, lead, leaf, leak, lean, lip, leave, meadow, mean, meat, oak, or, oat, soak, soap, sore. Okay, let's read it again together. Coat, lead, leaf, leak, lean, lip, leave, meadow, mean, meat, oak, or, oath, soak, soap, sore. Okay, your turn to read now. Okay, very good. Now let's move on to words with silent B. Comb, crumb, doubt, dumb, limb, tomb. Okay, let's read it again. Comb, crumb, doubt, dumb, limb, tomb. Okay, your turn to read now. Okay, very good. Now let's move on to words with silent C sound. Duck, flick, jack, jacket, kick, lick, lock, locket, pack, package, pocket, rack, rock, rocket, sack, sick, sock, speck, stock, tack, ticket, thick, track, trick. Okay, let's read it again together. Duck, flick, jack, jacket, kick, lick, lock, locket, pack, package, pocket, rack, rock, rocket, sack, sick, sock, speck, stack, tack, ticket, thick, track, trick. Okay, your turn to read now. Okay, very good. Now let's move on to words with silent D. Badge, budge, dodge, handsome, hedge, lodge, nudge. Wednesday. Okay, your turn to read now. Okay, very good. Let's read it again together. Badge, budge, dodge, handsome, hedge, lodge, nudge, Wednesday.